Hello everyone. So here's another question concerning Wix.com. Okay, so the question is, can I change my template on Wix? So the answer is no. Okay, so it's not possible to apply a different template to a site that you are creating or that you already created. However, you can create as many sites as you want in your account. This means you can start over with a new template at any point and transfer your premium plan to the new site. Okay, so you cannot change your template. However, you can create multiple websites. Okay, so I hope that answers your questions. Okay, and if you do like this video, just click like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.